A Nigerian secondary school head boy was so terrified to check his WAEC 2025 results that he almost didn't look. But when he finally gathered the courage, what he discovered left him speechless and has now made him an internet sensation with a perfect score that's breaking social media. The remarkable story belongs to Stephen David Enoch, a science student who served as head boy at a secondary school. Stephen's journey to checking his West African Senior School Certificate examination results is one that many students can relate to. In a TikTok video that has now gone viral, Steve admitted that he was initially scared to check his WAEC results. He explained that he had seen several disappointing results from other students, which made him nervous about his own performance. Stephen said, "I was scared to check my WAEC results because I saw some results and they were not good, but I finally gathered courage to check. And when I checked it, of course, the best in my class." When he finally summoned the courage to check his results, Stephen discovered something incredible. He had achieved A1 grades in all 9 subjects he sat for in the 2025 WAEC examination. His perfect scorecard included A1 in data processing, civic education, English language, further mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, and computer studies. This outstanding performance made him not just the best student in his class, but the best in his entire school. Stephen was humble about his achievement, saying he did not expect such excellent results, but credited God for his success. His reaction was both grateful and surprised, showing that even top students can be uncertain about their performance before results are released. The young scholar results have earned him widespread praise and admiration from Nigerian social media platforms. Fellow students and social media users have been celebrating his achievements and using his story as motivation. However, some people online have questioned whether such perfect results are authentic, with a few asking if Stephen could defend his grades in person. This skepticism is common when students achieve exceptional results, but Stephen's classmates have come forward to confirm that he was indeed the smartest student in their school. Stephen's success story comes at a time when many students are anxiously checking their 2025 WAEC results, with mixed outcomes being reported across the country. His achievement serves as an inspiration for current students preparing for their own examination. The story highlights the anxiety that students face when waiting for important examination results, even those who have prepared well and performed excellently during their studies. What do you think about Stephen's incredible WAEC performance? Are you inspired by his perfect A1 grades in all 9 subjects? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this success story motivated you, please hit that like button to support Stephen and other hardworking students in Nigeria. Subscribe to NaijaNews TV and turn on notification bell so you never miss inspiring educational stories and student achievements across Nigeria. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.